Welcome back to Craft and Linguish. So we're going to do a smelly flower. A smelly, spicy lotus flower, okay? For that, you need glue and spices. Pretty straightforward. Put a lot of glue. If you have liquid glue, it's even better. Check. And we've all done this when we were kids, so you'll know how to do it. Don't forget to have the children smell. Does it smell good? Yes. Does it smell bad? Yes. Here, we're gonna get it. Oops. Let's do it with some up. Does it smell good? Yes, it does. So keep going till all the flour's done, and don't forget to have the children smell their flour. Maybe have the other children smell each other's flour and say it's good, it's not good. Okay. And don't forget to clean up. Clean up, clean up. It's time to clean up.
Clean up,
Clean up.
put your things away.
Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up.
I don't think this was cinnamon. I think this was curry, no? Because you were going to put it back in the cinnamon.
Take the top off.
Okay. I need
part of
help
the
here,
tutorial,
guys.
okay?
It's a tutorial.
Watch.
You know you need help.
I think get this part out.
Yeah! Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up.
Clean up, clean up, put your things away.